The cabinet features an easily detachable frame panel structure, AC aluminum frame, composite cold bridge insulation. Non-metallic materials meet hygiene and health requirements. Quality, reliable, top cold bridge insulation. Panel, seamless wetting plate joint, no exposed screws. Section joints, double layer, zero air leakage. Section joints, double layer, zero air leakage. Unit for scenarios needing stable, precise temp and humidity control. E.g., data centers, labs, clean rooms, etc.